back-to-back rolls for Michael here.
Might work against him here. He's a pretty burly guy. I think he's got this in the bag. He got a good run.
I feel like he's rolled a barrel before.
It looks like he's done this before. All right, gentlemen. Bob's like, come on, man.
I mean, Bob, you're dressed the part, and that's all that matters.
Remember, you have to roll the barrel across the line. You must come back, have the barrel standing, leaning against the curb.
Unless you're Michael, he likes to put it up on the curb.
He likes to just throw it up
there. He's like, forget
man.
that. Overachieving.
Gentlemen, are you ready? On Bridget's count.
3, 2, 1, roll!
Thumper!
Oh. It's close.
It's like he does it for a living. Bob's trying to make a comeback. Can he get it up? Hawkins Heron representing.
Now I hope you know what this means. We expect to see you all next year.
You gotta come back and defend the title. Definitely.
Congratulations to everyone that competed. A big round of applause.